Contract manufacturing is booming, up more than 9% a year. But growth without strategy can mean lost quality, hidden costs, and limited control. Outsourcing gives you access to scale and expertise, but it also puts your brand's reputation in someone else's hands. When production ramps up fast, it's easy for quality and consistency to slip. Without clear alignment early, even the best partners can miss the mark. Here's how leaders make it work. Bring an automation integrator in from day one. They'll align the processes, data flow, and capacity plan. Define your quality, IP, and scalability metrics before production starts. And keep visibility tight with connected data and real-time dashboards, so you always know what's happening on the floor, wherever it is. Outsourcing doesn't mean losing control, it means gaining smart partners. With the right automation roadmap, you can scale fast, stay consistent, and protect what matters most: quality. Eclipse Automation, where factory automation is going. EclipseAutomation.com